Wow. Nonna Pina. Hi, what is this thing called? What is this called?
Zucchini.
That's not zucchini. Come on. What is that called?
It's zucchini.
No. Come on. Give me the name. It's called cucuzza.
Cucuzza.
Cucuzza what?
Siciliana.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Cucuzza Siciliana. This thing, it looks like a baseball bat. And it grew in my backyard, and I just showed you the little baby ones in the backyard that grow. And from the Cucuzza plant, you can also eat the leaves, which are called tinerume. So, Nonna Pina, what are you going to make here with this Cucuzza?
Salsa.
Like a soup?
Yeah, make a soup.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is what? You're going to peel it?
Clean.
Okay, let's see what you're going to do. Go. Let's look inside here. Let's look inside. Hold on, Nonna Pina, let me look. Yeah, it looks nice. Very nice inside. Let's see here. Not too many seeds, you see? Very nice. Okay, so you're going to start to peel the Cucuzza. So kind of like you peel a potato, you peel the Cucuzza. And what you're doing is you're just taking off this layer of skin here, which is hard and not good to eat. So that's step one. We're going to peel the Cucuzza, right, Nonna Pina?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we peeled it, right, Nonna Pina? We peeled it. We peeled all that skin off like you peel a potato. Now what are you going to do, Nonna Pina? You're going to cut it into...
Yeah.
How? Show me. Okay, so right down the middle. Let's see how that looks. Beautiful. And not too many seeds. That's nice. Okay, good. And then you're going down the middle again.
Little piece.
So just chunks, little cubes. Okay, so just little cubes. Okay, we get the idea? And so the other things we're going to be putting in is some fresh basil from the garden. Isn't that just beautiful? Some fresh spring onion, green onion, okay, from the garden, and some fresh onion from the garden, a whole onion chopped up, a medium-sized onion chopped up, 7 or 8 basil leaves, some green onion, and then salt and pepper, and then some homemade tomato sauce. And this is all going to be put onto the stovetop and made into a soup. Right, Nonna Pina? Love it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so as the pieces got bigger, she's gutting out kind of the core here because toward the most thickest point, you want to kind of gut it out a bit. Okay. Because you don't want all those seeds in the soup. Even though they're edible and they taste fine, you don't want it in the soup. So you're almost done cubing that entire Cucuzza. Where it got thicker, as I said, we gutted it out a bit because we don't want, all these seeds in the soup. So what we do with the seeds actually is we're going to save them and they're going to dry. And next year we're going to plant them in soil and we're going to get more Cucuzza plants. Yeah, the cycle of life, isn't that just wonderful? Okay, so you're done that. What's next, Nonna Pina? Okay, so you're going to put the onion. So you don't fry the onion first. No, fria prima.
No, it's okay.
Okay, so she doesn't fry the onion first when she makes this type of a soup. This Cucuzza squash soup. It's a gorge. All right. And then you're putting your spring onion.
The green.
Yeah, the green onion, spring onion, and then
Basil.
the basil. You're putting it in whole. So after after the soup is cooked, you don't have to eat the basil. It's just there to give that aromatic flavor. And then she has about a cup and a half, 2 cups of sauce that she's adding. I mean, this is by eye, but you can see she put about half a jar, and this jar is 500 milliliters. So yeah, about 250 milliliters of sauce. And then she's got some black pepper. All right, so this is how we cook in the summer from the garden. This is all garden ingredients. Some salt, yeah. Okay, a good dash of salt. And then we've got some extra virgin olive oil. Looks like she's putting a nice little dollop there. Put as much as you want, as less as you want, but it looks like she put maybe about 8 or 9 teaspoons. And are you going to put water right now or no?
No.
Water's after?
Yeah.
Okay, because the Cucuzza will give off a lot of water. It will release water. It will sweat. So this is going to go on the stove now. So the stove, we put it on high, Nonna Pina. Okay, we put it on high. And we'll bring it over here for you. And now you're going to do what? You're just going to kind of stir it all together. All right. Okay. Yeah, yeah, let's see. You gonna mix it now? It's heating up. If you want to put fresh tomato chopped up, that's good too. You could put whatever you want really in this, but this is how Nonna Pina makes for Cucuzza. Okay, so we'll come back in a couple minutes. It's gonna start to sweat as it heats up, right, Nonna Pina?
Okay.
Yeah? All right. Okay. Stir all those flavors together. All right, let's turn this off and serve. This has now been about 25 minutes. You see that the Cucuzza is translucent now. It's not that green, bright green. It's more clear like glass. Okay, ci metto il brodo, ma. All right, Nonna Pina. This is Sicilian Cucuzza. You want to give it a taste? You could also have it with you could also have it with some Parmesan cheese on top, right, Nonna Pina? All right, give it a taste. Ma o video non va a caso, non ti preoccupare.
Yeah, okay.
All right, want to give it a taste?
Okay.
Let's do it. What do you think?
Good.
Good, you didn't even taste it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Nonna Pina Sicilian Cucina. Sicilian Cucuzza soup. Love it. Thank you, Nonna Pina. Bye.
Bye.
Woo!